Hey there! Have you been searching for a way to make money online without putting too much effort? So stop searching because I have the perfect solution for you. We'll be talking about the laziest and easy ways for beginners to make money online. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in together on a journey to financial freedom. Subscribe now for the latest tips and tricks on how to make passive income online. And don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online by promoting products and services. You earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. To get started with affiliate marketing, you can sign up for programs through companies like Amazon, Commission Junction, and ShareSale. It's important to choose products that align with your interests or niche to make the promotion process more enjoyable and effective. Number 2. E-commerce. Selling products online has never been easier with platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon. You can sell physical or digital products, and you will only need to create the product once, making it a great option for passive income. To get started, research popular products in your niche and create a shop on one of the aforementioned platforms. Promote your shop through social media and other marketing channels to drive traffic and sales. Number 3. Online surveys. Participating in online surveys is a simple and easy way to make money online. Companies are always looking for consumer opinions and are willing to pay for them. Sign up for the websites such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Wendell Research to start taking surveys and earning cash. Keep in mind that this method is not going to make you rich, but it's a great way to earn some extra cash in your free time. Number 4. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money online using your skills and talents. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with clients who need help with a variety of tasks, from writing to graphic design to virtual assistants. You can work from anywhere, set your own rates, and choose the projects you want to work on. To get started, create a profile on a freelancing website and start offering your services to potential clients. These are just a few of the many ways to make money online the lazy way. Remember, it's important to find the method that works best for you and your lifestyle. With a little effort and patience, you will be on your way to earning passive income in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Start earning the lazy way today. And don't forget to keep watching our videos because we've got even more tips and tricks to help you make money online. We're constantly exploring new ways to earn passive income, and we are always eager to share what we have learned with our weavers. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. See you in the next one.